on our way to Idaho.
Yeah, going to get a header built from Charles. And our first stop is an unexpected one.
Yeah, we're in Soto in South Seattle right now. Not because we're supposed to be here. We realized the tailgate fell off the truck.
Yeah, I was like, what is that grinding noise?
I thought it was the van next to us. I was like, man, that guy's having a bad day. They didn't lose anything. Dude, look how close that thing is to just losing. To just going bye-bye.
Flying back and hitting the car.
Oh my god.
I think that should do.
Good as new.
Where is that headquarters? Lithium or something? Go, baby, go! Oh, hell yeah, there we go.
That's amazing. A 10-hour drive goes by real quick when you only film 3 clips.
Yeah.
God, I want that car so bad. Jesus.
So cool.
I want it.
What's up, buddy? You made it!
Yeah.
You're alive! He's alive!
Interesting. Goddamn.
And we got different flavors, you know? When you got the flavor, we got the flavors.
Oh, switching up, going twin scroll now.
Yeah. Now you got the flavor.
That's crazy.
What's he gonna have in there? Are you just
Oh, you didn't see this yet? Oh my god. Oh, yeah.
Holy shit, that's as big as my head.
Oh my god.
It doesn't fit without cutting things, and
It might be worth
I
it to
left
cut
it
something.
outside the other day, and I thought our friendship was over, so I don't think cutting things is on the table.
Close, dude.
Beautiful.
Spaghetti noodle manifold.
I love showing people this, like when they come over, and they're like, "You make these here?" If it like blows their mind. Very nice.
It's beautiful.
We got some of the nicest shit for the beans, like the most expensive premium.
Really?
Premiums. Oh.
Damn, dude. Whoa.
Yeah. You've seen better days, dude.
I know, I was there.
It's just gonna come back. We have so many plans. You know, we are thankful to everybody that bought stuff. This is the best year we've ever had. That will be directly represented in. But it's nice china.
So what is this?
This is 304 sanitary stainless, and we have 90s and 45s that we're gonna build this beautiful flowing header out of. What happens is the sanitary stuff is so well polished and so clean and so pure that when we heat this thing up, it's gonna turn this beautiful gold purple sex appeal thing, and people are literally just gonna fucking nut and like, "Grr!" That's what make my dick look like this.
All right, we're gonna load off the Corolla, or offload the Corolla. Head home for the night, and then we'll probably pick up the video again in the morning. That thing's so fucking sick. I want it so hard and bad.
It looks so much better in person too.
It does.
Oh, no, that was something that didn't sound good.
Nice and quiet.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Sounds great.
It's the next day we go to the shop. Alright, we're in the shop. The plan is that we remove these collecty boys from the flangy boy, clean up the flangelizer, and maketh upon it.
I'm really busy and I kind of dropped the ball on getting a new flange. We don't need a super thick flange for NA headers. If it was like a turbo header, you would want like a thicker flange to keep it from warping.
Yeah.
There's not that much heat in these. We're gonna just, and then clean up the flange like he was saying.
What kind of fancy maneuvers are you doing over here?
I'm getting our LPS Fab collector cutting jig set up to run that larger diameter. Usually, as you can see, we use the shit out of it at the one size, but I had to adjust the angle and everything like that. NA headers tend to like a little shallower angle. That way the runner velocity isn't
higher.
decreased as they, because if you were to create a really steep angle, the gas would
run into a wall,
yeah,
basically.
run into each other.
Quentin's got this block off plate for the whatever that's called up there.
Parcel shelf.
Parcel shelf. He's gonna cut some holes for speakers in it. You can buy these from Techno Toy Tuning
With hole cutouts, but I bought this one without hole cutouts.
a long time ago.
Yeah.
He bought them.
Alright, speakers are mounted up.
Yeah.
That thing's looking Gucci. It's literally gonna become a gooch.
Yeah. What you do is you make a really long collector piece, and the air flowing over this chamber actually creates a Venturi effect on this chamber,
Sucks her on
and
down.
it sucks the air out of this
Venturi
one.
effect?
Yeah, it's like an Ace Venturi. But
Oh, it's like when he comes out of the hippo.
yeah.
Or
What's
the
gonna
rhino
be
or
really
whatever.
interesting is I don't think there's any of them that are made the way that we're making it, and so the sound is what I'm really looking forward to.
It's gonna be different, or
It'll be unique and hopefully very, very lovely to the ears. So just getting this tacked up, that way we can cut this off with the correct flange, and then we can back purge it and weld it all out nice and pretty. And
shit's coming along. We're over here fixing a water leak that we had.
The one that so many people noticed.
Yeah, in the video, I was like, yeah, no leaks. Talking about the fuel system while the whole engine's covered in water because that had leaked on it. Yeah, look at them welds.
they're a little hot still. Like I'm welding a little hotter than I should, but I still gotta weld this
The gooch?
inside gooch, and then once we do that, and then we're gonna let this cool, and then we're gonna start fitting up runners.
Hell yeah!
People even say trill anymore.
I don't think so. That's the first time I heard that in a minute.
Well,
trill
I'm
minute.
bringing it back.
It's been a trill minute since I heard that.
And I think what I'm going to do is make the collector sit up a little higher, and then the exhaust will actually connect above steering shaft. I just don't think we have enough bends to make it like crazy,
Yeah.
crazy long.
Choosing between high and long.
Yeah, I'm gonna go, and then it's gonna go.
It's done.
Yeah, it's pretty much ready to start. We're doing a little creative brainstorming here based off of science and physics.
Trigonometry.
Trig and
All done. Get the duct tape.
This is how science is made.
Oh,
Look at that shiny.
shiny guy. Every clip has no context, but it has more runners on it. Charles just walked over with half a manifold and said, what if I told you in the next 36 minutes you'd be driving this car? So I started a timer just to be an asshole.
I text them.
Joe IPA?
Yeah.
You texted him?
Yeah. I was like, yo, I dig it. They were like, thanks. This one was a little funky for whatever reason. It just didn't funk up right, and it'll work fine, but when we go to sell these, whatever, we're gonna probably rework this.
It's a tough one, though.
It's not as refined as I wanted, but it's fine. It works good.
Put that bitch on, dude. Let's see it.
All right, you really want to? How bad? How bad do you want it?
Oh, it doesn't fit.
You know, you joke about that, but I've had that happen, and that's not fun.
God damn.
God damn. Damn. Oh, shit. Okay, the engine bay all together, like, that just finishes it so
Damn,
well.
she just look good.
shit.
It's like hot.
God.
I had a little spot I missed.
Alright, so she's all welded up. You haven't seen it on the car yet. I don't think it was dark in the last clip we filmed, so. And a lot of welding has happened.
Yeah, art takes time.
Yeah.
and persistence.
Not 36 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I lost the 36-minute rule.
Yeah, so Jake's just gonna port up these ports. Once the ports are ported, we will port it right onto the car. The fuck? We're making gaskets around here.
You gotta get your fingers getting dirty.
The manifold is done according to Charles.
Done. She's done. Not done. She's done for me.
Anyway, gasket's almost done. A little more porting and shit to be done, and then we're gonna plop it on and start her up. And it's obviously open header, but we're just gonna see what she sounds like as she is.
It's gonna sound exactly the same.
Yeah, I was kind of thinking that it would.
Okay,
Oh
Joe,
damn, you're blowing some shit out of there, huh?
you're a blower. I don't even think we realized how hard we made this for ourselves.
But it looks fantastic.
No, I mean the gasket part, not.
It's like a Renaissance painting with a mental disability. That's what I'm witnessing right now.
What? I'm trying to process that.
Told you.
Ow, my finger.
He can fill anything.
I could fill any gas.
I've heard that.
Should we start that?
Bing, bing.
That's what I came here for, dude.
It's gonna sound exactly the same, so let's not be shocked.
Yeah, it's like 2 inches longer. Maybe.
Still
Oh,
need-
actually, no, it's 1 hole instead of 2.
Oh, that's true.
Maybe. It looks fucking.
Yeah, whether or not it sounds any different, I just want to hear it. I'm excited.
Jake, how long can you put your wiener on it?
Charles, do you have...
Damn,
Looks
yeah, it's
good.
gold and purple. It's so fucking
Smells
good.
good.
I was explaining the different colors, and you'll get a bunch of different colors like silver and purple and blue and gold right away. But the deeper colors, the hotter temperatures, are the purples.
Okay. God, it looks so cool with like
Dude, it
the,
looks
the
sick.
silver and then the red and then the gold. Like
All
Yeah,
the colors.
that's cool.
it's so good. All the colors of the rainbow. Fucking
Damn, look at that. We
it's
got a manifold
gorgeous.
on there.
It's so fucking
And
pretty.
that the whole point of today was to build a manifold that doesn't run directly into the steering shaft, and that one doesn't. So
Not even close.
yeah, but tomorrow we can build an exhaust.
If you want one of these, $16.50 right now, pre-order. That's what I'm feeling right now. Maybe lower tomorrow. I don't know.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out our channel if you're new. Appreciate everyone who watches. Shout out to these guys who also watch the video. Just showed up today.
Well, there it is. There's a header. See you in the next one. Bye.